Hi, everyone. Just doing a quick follow up on the Pecron F1000LFP. So, when I did the capacity test on it, I did draw too many amps. So, that may have skewed the results a little bit. So, I'm rectifying that right now. So, I have the Pecron connected up to my kilowatt meter, which then is powering a power supply, which will then charge up one of my server rack batteries. So let me go ahead and turn this on. So this is fully charged, as you can see, and turn on the AC output. And that is on. That should fire up my kilowatt meter. Okay, and we're going to reset. Have this set to where it's going to charge to 54 volts. It shouldn't even get close to that before this kicks off. And if we do 4 amps, let's actually move it down a little bit. That will get it closer to the 0.2C rating with loss and everything else. So now we're going to turn on the output and then flip on the battery. Okay, you can see the battery's at 52.97 volts. The SOC is saying 30%. So we're going to start charging this. So we're drawing 224 watts. Let's move this down just a little bit more. All right. So 3.2 amps is drawing 204 watts. I believe the battery is 1,004 watt hours. So this would be a true 0.2C. Let me just up my voltage at 55. I know it's not even going to get close to that, but there you go. So it's pulling out 203 watts. Kilowatt meter zeroed out. We'll see what it's like when it's all done. Now that the discharge is complete, I'm going to take this kilowatt meter, plug it into an outlet. Let's see what the reading is. $820 watts. That was at a 0.2C draw. So it did go up slightly. It is approximately 82% efficient, or it put out 820 watts when the battery is rated for 1004. So it did improve a little bit with the 0.2C. So that's it. Thanks again for watching Mike's Solar Garage.